everywhere! No wonder the tractor's been shaking lately.
All right, time to fix this road myself.
The surface still feels rough.
I know exactly what to use to say. The roller!
Careful, little ones. Fresh road coming through. Now that's a road worthy of a farm.
Hard work always paves the way forward. Good morning, everyone.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Time to bring 'em home.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Hey, girls, let's go home for milking.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus.
That's it.
Yeah!
Nice and steady.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
All right, everyone, time for your turn.
Yeah!
See? Easy and comfy. This is the best milk in the valley.
Don't worry, I saved some milk for you too.
Dinner time. Dinner time.
Fresh milk, fresh smiles. job today, everyone.
Time to deliver hay to the cows.
Whoa, easy there, wind. Oh no, I can't go through this. Guess I'll need some heavier help. Hold tight, cows. I'll be back soon. You're up, big buddy. All right, let's clear this mess. Almost done. Just a little more. Nothing can stop a smart farmer.
Breakfast time, everyone. Eat well, little ones. safe now, everyone.